let's learn about sheet metal thickness checking gauge. It is a gauge which is used to check the thickness of a metal sheet. It consists of round plate of about 100 mm diameter into 2 mm thickness and several slots. Gauge sizes are numbers that indicate the thickness of a piece of metal sheet. You can see that the slots are marked with numbers. Note, a higher gauge value refers to a thinner sheet. This gauge is to be used along with a comparison chart. Each gauge size refers to an equivalent sheet metal thickness in millimeters or inches. Further, let's learn where a sheet metal thickness checking gauge is used. It is used in industries for checking the thickness of a metal sheet. Note, the thickness of a metal sheet can be in millimeters or inches. Now, let's learn how to use a sheet metal thickness checking gauge. Take a cold hot rolled metal sheet. Now, insert the metal sheet into any random slot. For example, slot 11. You can see that the metal sheet is loosely fitting in slot 11. Further, insert the metal sheet into slot 12. You can see that the metal sheet is also loosely fitting in slot 12. Now, insert the metal sheet into slot 13. You can see that the metal sheet is perfectly fitting in slot 13. In order to ensure measurement accuracy, insert the metal sheet into slot 14. You can see that the metal sheet is not fitting into slot 14. Hence, based on the comparison chart, the thickness of the cold hot rolled metal sheet is 2.278 millimeters.